Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon.
Hi, ma'am. Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm doing great, ma'am. Thanks for asking. How are you?
Yeah, I am also buzzing with positive vibe.
Very good, very good. So, how has your day been so far?
My day is a little bit hectic for me because nowadays my daughter's school is open, so that is the reason. And yeah, that's a reason.
Yes, yes. Now school has opened, right?
Yeah.
Even yes, likewise, since 2 months it was a vacation period, summer vacation. So I was also very means free and in light mood. But now even I also on my toes. I have to be. So even same here. My children's school also started. So I wake up early in the morning, then the tiffins and everything.
Yeah.
So right now I finish my everything, every household chores and sitting in front of you. So being
So
a homemaker, it is really a hectic job, right?
yeah, this is the, I
Yes.
think we are every time we feel we are in the roller coaster, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah.
Always, always.
Yeah.
Yes.
So I know to each other, but for audience, we have to introduce ourselves, right?
Yes, yes, yes. So
So
definitely I would like to introduce myself.
yeah.
My name is Shamal. I'm connecting you from Mumbai, Maharashtra. I'm mother to two sons, a phonic teacher, full-time homemaker, enthusiastic Kathak learner. And nowadays, I have been my bonnet about polishing my language, English language. And if you ask me about my education, I am commerce graduate. I have done a post-graduation diploma in international business. And then I worked for an MNC for a couple of years. And because of my family responsibilities, I had to quit. Then I did ECCA and certified phonic course. And since 2018, I am running my own phonic classes. And if you ask me about my hobbies, I have plenty of hobbies, but I would tell you about my learning English, dancing. So I am enrolled myself in Kathak. I love to listen to music, mostly 70s, 80s music, and nowadays I love to listen to English conversational videos, English content, English web series, and I watch comedy web series mostly. They're
Yeah.
very easy to understand, right?
Yeah.
And this is pretty much about me. And nowadays, yes, I have started my channel to polish my language, to get connect with people like you, like-minded people. So I'm running channel by the name Learn and Shine with Shamal. So now done. This is pretty much about me.
Yeah, it's nice actually.
So
Nice.
tell me about yourself.
Yeah, definitely. My name is Kirti. Basically, I hail from Bihar, but currently I live in Bangalore. I am also dedicated homemaker as well as mother of one kid. Apart from this, if I talk about my qualification, so I also done Bachelor of Commerce, but nowadays I enrolled in MBA. So this year I have enrolled
Wow.
and yeah, so and moreover, I am also YouTuber. I have my channel also means for learning purpose actually for enhance my communication skill. I have started, so that's my channel name is Learn English with Kirti. And if I talk about my hobbies, so I have also plethora of hobbies. I have a itchy feet, and I I am a Mellofy person and Beblofy person. So, but
Wow.
nowadays I indulge myself to learn this language. So this is add-on in my hobby.
Yes. 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 This is one more added. Yes. The one
Yeah.
more feather, right?
Yes.
So how do you means in your this hectic day, how you get time to do this learning part of your English speaking? What do you do
Actually,
exactly?
yeah, means I am living in Bangalore, so it is necessary for me means to communication means I have to need this language. So, but earlier I was learning, but on and off. So one day I stumbled upon Sunita ma'am's video, so I thought, why not? I have to enroll myself. So in that way, I have to enhance my communication skills. So that time I took up plans and I enrolled myself. Then I realized day by day I am improving myself. So I thought, why not? I have to continue there, and in that way, I have to enhance myself. And means every day I connect with co-learners, so it's feel me refreshing, and I thought, okay, I am doing something content, right?
Contentful, right?
Yeah,
Yes.
so that is my journey. Means I have to start like that.
Very nice, very nice. As we both are co-learners, we are on the
Yes,
same platform.
yes,
So even I also stumble up. Even means I was not into learning this language. I'm teaching since long time, but when I went to some been to some countries that time. I was not that person. I was not. No, I wouldn't say that I was not an extrovert person. I was, but when it comes to speak with the person by breaking your ice, start any subject, and that too in English. Though
yes,
I knew it, but still it was difficult for me that time. So then onwards, since last June, I started to scroll on YouTube about learning language. I watched many videos, but when I stumbled upon Sunita ma'am's videos, I found affinity over there with her, and I thought, let's. And after few days only, she started the channel.
yes.
I think in August end or September, August end with Neha ma'am. So that day I thought, let's grab this opportunity and brush up our skill. So then I enrolled there with Sunita ma'am and Neha ma'am, and it is really a great platform, I would say. I always say that I didn't knew this language. It was not like that, but the way they taught us, the way they pushed us forward to
Yes,
enhance our confidence to speak up in front of people, it is really next level. It is really next level. Means this language is very much familiar to us, right? But
yes,
still to get that confidence, though we know it, get that confidence to speak up in front of people, even from in front of stranger. That was my motto. Only that was the motto I had, and that's how my journey started. But even likewise, I was also one and off person in Diwali, and after that I was not there because some my housework renovation work was there. Even I was feeling not well, and then again I joined it in January end or something, mid of the January, and then I started to continue, be consistent. But still I am not consistent on the channel because I have a lot of things to do on my plate. So but that's how I started my channel, because I couldn't be consistent on the platform. So I thought, if I'll get that responsibility in my mind that I have to be consistent on my channel, I have to be show up every day, then only I can do that things if I have any responsibility on my shoulder. So that's how I started my channel. And yes, I'm doing every day, trying to post one or two videos and trying to enhance myself. Means for the matter to enhance my skill, I've opened the channel. But yes, it works really well. It helps me a lot. And
yeah.
yeah,
Definitely, I totally agree with you. Means I think that platform is blessing in disguise for us, because someone who push you and someone who encourage you. So you feel okay. I have to do something because I have also value. Someone who is giving a value. So in that way, you trying. Okay, I have to hard and hard, and I try to learn anything new skill. So I am also thinking, means I am also blessed when I joined that group. But nowadays I don't have a time, because I also lots of thing I have to do. So currently I leave that group, but hopefully I will again
you have left the
rejoin.
group. You have left
Yeah,
the group.
yeah.
Okay.
Because
Okay.
I thought I enroll in my MBA, so first I have to little bit work on my MBA, then again I will rejoin there.
Okay. Okay. So which stream have you taken?
Right now, I didn't choose, because this is my first year, right?
First year. Yes. Yes.
Yeah, so that is the reason. So I am thinking I will go for finance. Yeah, means let's see what happen. It's depend on the scenario.
Yeah. Finance is good. Good. Really
Because
good
you are
stream.
also in commerce background, so I have also eager to learn, means know that how did get job in means
Ma'am,
corporate.
it's way back. I would say it was in, I think, 2006-07. So that time I worked for an export company. Then afterwards I did my MBA. but I
Okay.
couldn't finish that. So I say is post graduation, and I did it in international business. So that time I was working in pharmaceutical company, and that was really very good experience. But due to my family responsibility, I had to quit. But getting a job in your means corporate, I would say polish yourself more and more as you are learning MBA. Meanwhile, you're learning, you will definitely get that opportunities.
Yeah,
Right.
I have also dreamed to work on means corporate sectors because I never worked there. Earlier, I was trying because that time my communication was not good, so I didn't get any job. But so I have a regret also. Why not this kind of platform was there earlier? Because
That time, yes.
I had joined in offline classes, but there I didn't improve my communication skills. Just I learned only grammar because I everybody knows the grammar because they studied in since childhood, right? So we don't need to learn grammar, just we need to how to open our mouth, right? That is the more important
Yes,
thing.
yes, yes. It is a really very important thing because see, if you want to learn swimming, you have to swim. You have to
Yes,
dive in the into the pool. If you want to learn driving, you have to sit on the driver's seat, right?
yes,
Then you have to move that steering wheel. Then only you learn to drive. It is like that only. If you want to speak, you have to speak. See here,
yes,
I would always like to give the example of any infant. If it comes into your family, from the day when it never speak, it never
yes,
start to speak, right? First is to go with the sounds, one sound, then two letter sounds. Like so, sometimes first of all the completely a sound, this kind of sound, then ma, pa, then mama, papa.
right,
Okay, then three letter words start. Then four means two words starts. मुझे चाहिए, मुझे जाना. This kind of words, right? Then sentences. मुझे नहीं करना है. So
yes,
when child speaks this kind of sentence, we feel surprised that time, right? My
yes,
child is started to speak three words at a time.
yes,
So,
yes,
but how he speaks by listening only. Okay, that time we don't teach him any grammar, any rule.
yes, definitely.
What we say to girl in pronoun, what we call boy in pronouns, we don't teach like that. They directly start to speak by listening only. So
Yes,
here also we have learned lot of grammar right now. So means in our school days, in our college, we learn many things, but right, the speaking should come, will come with the speaking only. And it
yes.
is really a great platform what Neha ma'am and Sunita ma'am has introduced for us. I would always praise for them.
Yeah, definitely. Because that platform to enhance our communication skill and courage also means confidence also.
Total personality development class, I
Yes.
would say. This is a personality development platform,
Yeah.
right?
Yes.
So here, Kirti ma'am, I want to ask you one question. See, we both are from the same platform. We are co-learners.
Yes.
So, when it comes to new and advanced word to incorporate in your daily conversation, is it comfortable for you, or you take time, lot of time for it to
Actually,
incorporate
it's
those
take a
words?
time because because I have seen to others co-learner journey means they have apply on daily communication. But when I have learned and I am not applying in my conversation, so I also forget means I also struggle with them also. So it is more important whatever we are learning. So definitely we have to incorporate in our conversation, so then we have to learn it because earlier when I have started my channel, so that time I was deliberately try to use that idiom in conversation, but nowadays I am not using, so I am thinking I am lacking actually. So because we and other co-learners and mentors also told me means whatever you are learning, so you try to use deliberately, otherwise you forget that.
Definitely, definitely. We even I also did the same discussion with Neha ma'am, and she also told me the same thing that if you want to use, then you
Yes,
have to deliberately use it, and not only 5 to 10 sentences. You have to you should make more and more sentences, including that any phrase or the idiom or anything. But one thing I would like to tell you, ma'am, that if we conveyed our message to someone, and that person whom we are talking with is understanding our message, understanding our thought, that time if you use the simple words or the way you were talking before, that is also okay. See, so because it's a personality, right? Where why means when what was the main important thing for us to open up our mouth
Yes.
to speak this language. But now if you are speaking this language, we are managing words, we can recall the words, though it might be simple words, but we can recall the words,
Yes.
right? And then after that I thought that time, now I can't memorize those words, but definitely I am sure after some time, now it is blueprint in my mind. Okay,
Yes.
that all words, idioms, and phrasal verbs, everything is like blueprint in my mind. After some time, they will definitely reflect, and it's happening, ma'am.
Yes,
I
yes.
gave
And
time.
yeah, I think you know, if you are talking with any person, they are also using advanced word or vocabulary idioms. So that time definitely it will come in our mind. And other person, if you are talking to other person, they are not using, so it will not come. And that time we also think, okay, I will use or not. That time we are also in dilemma.
Yes.
Means other person will understand or not, because I am living in Bangalore, so it is not necessary to use that idioms and phrasal verb. Just we have to communicate in easy way. People will understand you, right? That is the more important part. And if I talk about my other mentor, means I am in other group also. So that mentor also told me, means if you are thinking, means I am lacking something advanced vocab and idioms and all, so that is not a problem. Means if you are convey your thought and other person understand you, so that is the advanced communication, I will say. Because if
Yes,
whatever
yes.
you are saying and the other person is not understanding you, that is not a good way of communication.
That will be a completely one-way communication, right?
Yes.
So communication should be two-sided,
Because
right?
we are learning this language, so definitely we know everything. And as a co-learner, we try to use in our conversation. But I think, in my opinion, in daily conversation, if we are talking in real scenario, so it is not important.
And it is sometimes it is difficult too, right?
Yes, and
To
I
get
think,
the person understand that things.
yeah,
So better it means even means if you are saying that you are in as you're saying you are in Bangalore. So Bangalore people means south side people, they always prefer to speak in English,
yes,
and their English is very easy to understand,
yes,
right? Means just we have to know that language. That's it,
yeah,
right? I heard that means their grocery wala, then any
yes, yes,
vendor, they all speak in English,
yes. And
right?
if you would like to talk to auto driver also, they also know.
Yes,
Means they also know how to communicate. Means I will not say that they are very proficient in this language, but they easily articulate their thought. Means other
yes,
person will
thoughts.
understand your whatever you are saying. So I think we are learning this language, so definitely we also try to learn this learn everything. Because we are knowing other co-learners, they are doing very well, right? And I think we are in the YouTube, so definitely we have to enhance our vocabulary and conversation, so other person will take interest. So that is the
Definitely,
reason.
ma'am. Yeah, yes. If but first stage is if you are comfortable to
Yes,
with that, if you are comfortable to that, then use it. Otherwise, go with your flow. Eventually, you will definitely get hang of it,
yes, yes,
right? Then you can use it, and then you can enhance your personality by adding those kind of advanced vocabulary. But till then, if you are not comfortable, not to worry, not
yes.
to worry, because here we can say that it is not right to boil the ocean.
Yes,
Yes.
definitely. And we don't
Uh,
run behind the rat race. Means
yes, we shouldn't be in the rat race.
yeah, because we have to try to learn this language, and I think gradually we will also improve.
Yes,
right?
definitely, definitely. That's why what I told you. Na, I was in that dilemma that will it possible for me or not?
Yes.
That time I talked to Neha ma'am. Neha ma'am said it will work for you, but you take this go by this path. Then afterwards, even that was not easy for me. Then myself I thought, let it be. When it comes, it will definitely come because now it's like blueprint in my mind and it will come. I was sure about that, and yes, now it's coming. If you take any burden, then it won't work for you. And if
Yes.
you go like say with free mind and open mind, it will definitely come to your mind. Other
Yes.
just don't burden your mind.
That's thing always I keep in my mind. Means I am also not running in the rat race, and just I am thinking I have to focus on my skill, and gradually day by day means I will practice and I will improve my communication skill. Yeah, this is the cherry on the cake for us. Means whatever we are learning for the new phrasal verb idiom, so that is good for us. But means if we are thinking, okay, other person is doing very well and I am not doing, so in that way we also lose our fluency also. Means
Yes,
because
yes. Our
compare
confidence
always
as
kill.
well.
Yeah, compare
Confidence,
always kill the confidence.
confidence. Yes, definitely.
Yeah, so
Right, right.
because other person capability is different, our
Yes,
capability is different, so why we have to compare to other people?
because every person is unique, right?
Yes.
Every person is unique, definitely. And some people has that quality of memorizing things,
Yeah.
and some people don't have,
And
right?
sometimes I also struggle that, okay, how to use the idiom, because I'm not into idiom actually. Means yeah, I know the means whenever I listen to other people, yeah, sometimes I join webinar and all, so I try to listen them carefully, so they are also not using, just they are using advanced vocab. Means that is the more important. And
Yes.
right, means nowadays I try to inculcate this thing, okay, I have to learn this because this boost our communication skill, right?
Yes, yes, yes. To enhance our communication skill, if you add on vocabulary, that is
Yes.
really very good
Yes.
because means your idioms are like spices to your food. If you
Yes.
add more and more, then your food you won't like that food, right?
Yes.
So if there is any proper context, then you can use that idiom over there. Otherwise, using more and more idioms, you will definitely kill that conversation.
Yeah, and I think means when I try to deliberately use that, so I thought, means I have seen myself, means I have to fumble and means that time I using means okay, that time I use thinking, okay, next what should I apply? Means so that is the main reason I am not using that, but little by little, definitely I will improve myself also.
And you have improved. Yes, you have improved because facing camera and speaking to someone strange, it is a big task, right?
Yes.
And this was our motive,
Yes.
and we have conquered that.
Yes.
So that
And
much is really very beneficial.
for me, actually, just I have to break my ice. Means I have to connect the people. Actually, means because if you are talking in real scenario and face to face, now that moment is little bit different. And in front of
Yes.
camera on the call, that is the different thing. We can easily talk with people, but eye to eye contact, that is the totally
That is
different part.
difficult. That is
Yes.
difficult. And when it comes to the stranger person, na,
Yes.
it is way difficult, way difficult. So even I when I started this YouTube channel, I was not at all means I was completely camera shy person. So I couldn't do anything. So that day one of our co-learners, Pooja Bhatt, she told me, ma'am, how will you improve how will you grow your channel if you don't do anything? So that time I didn't, you miss, I was not into that to talk with people who are stranger to us. I was not into that. Means I won't say that I'm introvert. I am extrovert, but talking to stranger, it was really difficult for me.
Yes.
But then one fine day, I thought that this was my motive to break the ice, to
Yes.
talk with people. Then why I'm hiding myself behind? Why I'm selling
Yes.
myself short? Then
Yes.
I started. Now I am feeling really very comfortable to talk to any person.
Because we are also starting our channel, so why not we have to improve our, and we have to connect with people, because other people is also doing, so why? Because we know how to articulate our thoughts, so
Thoughts, yes.
yeah, so why not we have to utilize our thing.
Yes, definitely, definitely. Kirti ma'am, I want to ask you one question here. Would you like to tell me what is your strength and what is your weakness?
My strength is actually resilience, means I have faces lots of challenges in my life, face means challenges in my life, but now I will say, means any challenge come in my life, I am ready to handle it. I can
Wow.
easily handle it, means that is the reason, means I have started my journey. I thought, okay, means I have a long break, means for my study, but I thought no, because always it's bother me why I didn't my master degree always. So I thought, why not I have to, because I have a time, so why not I have to utilize that.
Utilize
And
it.
some means if your loved one is also there, and everyone is in your nearby is also live with you, but something always bother you, means why I didn't come I don't do this, means always. So I thought no, I have a dream to, I have to do job, and I have to master, means because I didn't get chance to do that. And
Wow.
if I would talk about my, means negative points, so definitely I don't have much patience. Yeah, so that is the reason I have to improve this thing actually.
Mhm.
And
Okay.
I never say to other people, okay, I will not do that for you. If someone wants to help me, always I am ready to help other people.
So honestly, you gave your answer. Very
Yeah.
nice, very nice. Would you like to
Okay,
ask
means,
me anything?
yeah. So, what matters for is the, means more the journey or the destination?
Very nice question. I would say the journey. Yes, because we know the destination,
Yes.
right? But we know what we will going to face in our journey, and our journey makes us to be more passionate about our destination,
Yes.
right? So
Yes.
because of that journey we get to do many things. We always ready to go from our thick and thins. We always ready to face everything to get that destination. But once you get the destination, then your journey is finished. So
Yes.
when you will get that all things, when you reach that destination, then everything is gone. For myself, journey is always important, because the journey, if you fail, you face failures, you will definitely stand again, will again try, you
Yes.
will again cope up with the things, and you'll again fresh you make fresh yourself to know I have to do this, and that journey will make you resilient and
Yes.
confident.
Definitely, I totally agree with you. Journey is more important than the means the destination, because if destination finished, so we don't have a aim. Okay, what's next to
Yes,
do? And I think journey means so many ups and downs come, and we have to learn from them. And day by day, we are grooming ourselves, and day by day,
yes,
we have to try to new things also. We have to take the challenges also, right?
yes, because we don't know what will work, right?
Mm.
So every moment can be eureka, and
Yes.
for that matter, we work for that,
Yes, definitely.
right?
And I have a question. So you told, means you have done phonics also. So why did you think, okay, I have to means take a certificate in phonics also?
Actually, I'm the person. I always go with the study and always go deep and deep into anything.
Yeah.
And I was like that. If I want to be a teacher, so I should be certified. If someone asked me anything that time, and when I did the certified course, phonic course, it was not that much in fashion, to have certificate in phonics. There were many teachers who were running their classes without certificates,
Yes.
but I was not ready for that. I wanted to have certificate, and then only I'll start my classes.
Okay, so you
So
have taken online or offline, means phonics certificate.
I did offline. I did proper course
Okay, okay.
from the
That is
institute.
nice.
Yes.
Because I have also started my career as a teacher in pre-primary school. So uh, as a scratch I have also started. Means then I thought that time I thought, okay, means I have also I have to do also phonics certification or anything. So but someone told me, no, you can also go means without any certification. Means if you have a communication skill and you have a ability to teach other kids, so it's easy to crack the interview and all.
Yes, yes,
But
it
I
actually is.
think nowadays phonics is more important for the kids actually.
Yes, and nowadays schools asked for certificates.
Yes.
Yes, and initially when phonics started, na, that time it was not in school.
Yes.
Teachers used to take their own classes. They used to run their own classes,
Yes.
right? And when it introduced in the school, then when the school started to hire teachers for this, then they started to hire the certified teachers. It
Yes.
was
Yes.
like that. Okay,
I
ma'am. Do you want to ask anything? Otherwise, actually, we are almost at the end of our session.
No, I don't have a, but thanks for giving your time and nice to talk with you. Means I
Yeah,
enjoy a lot.
even I also enjoyed a lot, and since I think so since many days we are on the same group since long
Yes.
time, but we haven't talked yet,
Yes.
right?
Yes. Yes.
That day, all of a sudden, I got idea on my mind. Let's talk with Kirti ma'am
Yeah.
because
Because
many times I saw you in the group while our sessions were there.
yes.
I saw you. So that day I saw your one video, conversational video thumbnail. That day I thought, let's catch Kirti ma'am.
No, actually, someone means other coordinator told me, why not you have to approach in our group, means like Samal ma'am, Indu, so you will get a chance to connect with them also, and it is good for your channel also. So I thought, why not I have to message you. And that time you are busy. Now means I am busy, so in that way we are not connecting to each other,
Yes.
but we get a time, and now we have to connect, right?
Yes, and it was really a lovely session, I would say. It was really lovely session. And I didn't find that you are completely new to me.
Same here, means likewise. I am also means don't didn't feel I am agitated to connect with you. I means
Yes.
I thought, okay, I am connecting with every day, like
Yes, yes,
talking
connecting
to
with
every
every
day means
me.